Okay, guys, back with another video, and you know, we're understanding how this trading thing goes, and like what we said before, right? We understand that there's a whole process when it comes down to just executing correctly because that's what it's about. Understanding that no, there's not every single day that you're going to trade, bro. There's like 3 or 4 good trading days every single month. And it's good to just execute and risk big on those specific trades instead of just taking minuscule little trades. And understanding that, listen, the trade I just dropped a video about this. Trading is not about break and retest. It's about choosing the right break and retest. And that's the whole point about trading, right? So there's traps at break retest, and the idea is to find where the traps are and avoid trades that have traps. So if you're hitting a break and retest and there's a trap in that area or there's anything that's kind of off, then you don't take it. We're looking for the most perfect break and retest where there's no traps so that we can be able to execute and become, be profitable in the overall spectrum of things, right? So XRP, I calculated from the jump that I said I wanted the price to come down here to be interested in buying it. Um, Bitcoin, Bitcoin was a trade that I just was looking into. And Bitcoin did not fail. It did reach this area here, which I am not interested in after that. But you could see Bitcoin. Not sure. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not sure where I can, you know, project Bitcoin to, you know, head to. So for now, just stay quiet. Can it possibly go down? Possibly, but right now I'm just gonna avoid that. I'm just gonna scroll through. Anything that's not interesting, I'm not going to take. It's at this level. Price could continue back down some more. I'm good. ADSD. Okay, so looking at this trade, ADSD. Let's see what ADSD holds. Let's remove move drawings. Let's see what it holds. What does price is at this level here. This is a strong level here. No, this is a strong level here, which price is rejecting off of. Can I see? Can I see price? I can see price continuing this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't really see price rejecting off of this. No, I can see price continuing up a little bit more. Kind of see that happening more so. When price kind of like filled this up some more. On price is up. It's bearish. So I told you guys before, like, okay, go. Okay, so let's look at the weekly, right? Weekly is giving me, that price. I more so see price continuing up some more. This is a can price reverse? Can price wick and reverse? It can do that. It most definitely can, right? But I just feel though I see this more so continue. Okay, if price reaches up here into this double, nah, I'm just not really. Like I'm good. Like I just want to see what this could possibly do, bro. Maybe if price goes up here. Yeah, I'm good. If I can't really figure it out, bro, I'm straight. Like we're looking for the perfect trade, and that's not the perfect trade. Can it possibly happen? Yeah, but I'm just saying like it's just not giving, bro. Like you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'd rather just avoid. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is at this level here, reversing off of this level. Been bullish. Still bullish, right? What's the daily giving us? What the daily vibe they're looking like? daily, weekly. Yeah, can I see the price continuing down some more? I could see that happening. That's what I could see happening. That look more so than that could happen. Daily, yeah, I'm also see that happening. Yeah, I'm also see that happening. I'm also see that kind of happening. Um, yeah, I'm also see that happening. Price continuing down some more. Fill this area up. So for me, what I would want to see happen is literally the same thing too. Price retest this area, and then I'll be interested in like selling it off some more. Um, definitely be interested in selling it off. But I do need price to come and retest this area daily to give me a formation, and then we'll be looking to sell this joint off. Cat JPY, good. USGP, questions. Let me say something. Uh, can I see this happening? I shouldn't just level and continue some more. We can see that possibly happening, right? We can see that possibly happening. So definitely, yeah, definitely. If this were to come down here, it's really possible buys. Let's see what it does there. I mean, realistic, I look for buys too. I'm looking more so sells. We'll see what's up, man. Um, ADUSD, um, weekly. Let's see. Okay, so I mean, the weekly. Price usually bounces off of this. Been a while. Not interested. NGD CAD. What advices are giving? Price been bullish for a minute. Price is now giving me engulfing vibes. Can the price continue down for a bit? Can it do that? Yeah, it can. Yeah, it engulf still. It could do that too still. But I mean, based on these, it's like it's been rejecting a lot. Hmm. Daily is giving me what? I mean, weekly that doesn't really count because at the end of the day, the weekly is still bullish overall. Um, just looking at the daily. So the day just gave us that Morning Star vibes. 4 hour. That's a 4 hour looking like. I'm straight, bro. These trades are they're looking so nasty, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. They're not looking good. Okay, question is, what can I see happen? I definitely feel like I see this continuing down, right? That's just, you know. Just looking at it, look like something that's gonna happen, right? Now let's look on the weekly. Let's try to just let's try to draw something out. See what's going on in this area. Okay, so for our respected level, price usually bounces on top of this. Rejection is at the bottom. Rejection is at the bottom. Once above that level, it buys. Okay, cool. A nice level, right? Nice level where you can see some type of reversal, right? So now I'm looking to see what can happen. I believe I can see a price wick into here and continue down, right? Let's look at the daily. The daily is giving me the vibe that it wants to do that, right? So daily is bearish. So I want to see price come back up in here. I want to see price come back up here into this area. Um, right? I want to see price come up in this area, right? And then it already gave me the. I just want to see it come up into this area, and the 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour is dealing with. Oh damn, 4 hour is what? 4 hours bullish. But for me to be interested in this trade, price would have to probably do something like this, come in here, right? Break below here, become, you know, bearish. I want to retest this back again, then I enter. But definitely interested in this trade. Have to do something like that. If there's something like that, you know, once a 4 hour goes bearish, then I'll be interested. Need need 4 hour shift of structure. That's what I need. Weekly, daily. They already have that. You feel me? APSD. I'm good. APCAD. I'm good. UAD. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Good. Yours APY. NAP. THF. I'm very interested in these trades, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not interested. All these trades they're not looking, bro. They're just not it, bro. They're not looking good. So for me, um, that's the Euro trade look at the trades, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Euro GBP, Euro USD. You know what I'm saying? These are only trades that look like possibly something's going to happen. So let's see what's up, man.